here on the MG stand at Everything Electric, and we're looking at the MG IM. And this is the IM6, the competitor that's going to be going up against the likes of the Tesla Model Y. Let's look at some of the stats. This is the launch edition, comes in a couple of different versions. And the launch edition starting at 52,995. All-wheel drive, but beautiful to see it actually. I'm not sure about this logo though. I would have seen this originally at Geneva Motor Show. And so you've got that IM. It's going to be sold through some MG dealers in the UK. We're not going to get it in Ireland yet. So super fast charging. You've got the lights in underneath, front bonnet, pop out handles, charging port, and a flap up. Which is really cool. Tailgate. This ducktail at the rear, I'm not so sure. Oh, they're putting an MG badge on it. Okay, an IM6 there. The boot is press the button. And so 60/40. Large trunk. IM mag. I would have seen this in Brussels as well. Some tie-off points, some 12 volt. You can drop and raise and lower because it's gone. Air suspension. The launch edition has the air suspension. Not so sure about the curviness of it. Fine car though. Actually, you know what? This is a bit Aston Martin-y down here. So charging rear right hand side. So can use the supercharger network. Some gloss black down along the door as well. Pop out door handles. Frameless doors, good heft in them handles. And you've got the button here, windows there. How far down did they go? Not all the way. Oh, it's nice in here. And so the whole headrest comes down if there isn't a middle person. This is really nice. So look at all this speakers around. That IM mag thing is there on the back of the seats as well. And so feet in underneath. For me, I'm 6'2", 188 centimeters.
Do you want to put the sound system on?
No, Grant, because I won't get I'd be copyright for YouTube.
Oh.
But thank you.
Is it not
Royalty free.
Can you get away
Not
with
really. I wouldn't even chance it because it'd demonetize it.
Okay, no problem.
So you've got the kind of a marquetry on the actual inside of it. And this is the IM mag piece there that we're talking about. And you can see that it's kind of a interesting. And now the pixel is going that way as well. So you've got a really nicely integrated screen here. And then this is not stuck on at all. So you have, that's lovely. There's a lovely non-glare to it. Wireless charging pad. Knick-knack EDC holder. Pano sunroof. Yeah. Nice big circular steering wheel then as well with the chunky on it. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless, TikTok. And that ambient light. The quality is lovely. The quality is really nice. Frameless doors then obviously in the front as well. Wouldn't be a fan of these kind of swirly wheels. Some 360 cameras and those pop out door handles. This is interesting down here, and I think this is designed because of the launch edition. It's long. It's longer than a Model Y. You can see you've got your little card reader here. Those, oh, look at this. My finger's nearly lost in it, it's that chunky. So that is the IM6. And then the IM5 in this gorgeous blue. Again, this is very close to the length of a Tesla Model S. Love that colour. Some stats on the IM5. This is the, from 48,495, this is the performance. You can scan for more there on the screen, pause the screen, and daytime running light coming down here. Same setup as the IM5. Slightly smaller center screen. Feet not really in underneath, but not bad. Lots of this, plenty thigh support, and then head in the rear. Yeah, this is the first look today. I'm going to come back and have a proper look at it. Look at that Pano sunroof. It is absolutely massive. USB Type-C. And this has a hatch then. (40-60) split with that IM mag system then as well. Tie-off points, and you've got your 12-volt. No underfloor storage by the looks of things. Oh, I'll take that back. Everything's in underneath there. That's a real Aero rear end on it. So that IM5 high-level brake lamp, kind of it's not a shark fin aerial, it's actually a camera. So you've got the high-level brake lamp and you've got your brake light. I think on different wheels I'd like it more. I think those wheels aren't doing it any favours. So IM5, IM6, the colour on the silver is absolutely gorgeous. Really nice. And again, you've got that shark fin area with the camera built in on the IM6. MG IM6 to give it its full title in the UK. What do you think? Charging on the IM, I presume the 5 is the same as the 6. Rear charging port. Oh yeah, so it's up on the haunch actually. 800 volt architecture if I'm not mistaken. I wonder, will we ever see it in Ireland? Yeah. And the charging, is it motorized? No, it's just on a hinge. That is the MG stand at the Everything Electric Motor Show in Farnborough, and IM5 IM6. Hopefully you've enjoyed it. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please do so. Hit the like button, leave a comment, and remember, if you think an EV is for you, leave it to me and I'll review. Thank you very much for watching.